Welcome to Top Driver, new appointment with race car tournaments here at Pico Serpente. I'm Stinky and Max Power, he's here with me.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we will discover the two new cars that will go to the semi-final of the tournament.
Now we are going to present the cars and the drivers. With the number 2, a Porsche 959, driven by the Texan driver Chubby Checker. For the luxury team, we welcome F2.
We follow closely with the Clover, a Lotus Elise, driven by the English driver Elizabeth Rax. For the Queen Motor team.
Here we are with the number 3, we present Grasshopper. At the wheel there is Maria Felice. She drives a Ferrari 355 for the Wild Nature team.
Last car, a BMW 2002 with the number 02, driven by the Czech driver Julian Rosicki. We present Cannonball for the Stinky Race team.
Whoa! But now let's move on to the races. Positions at the starting grid: BMW front left and Lotus front right.
Behind them, Ferrari and Porsche respectively, glued to the chair because you will fly 3, 2, 1, via!
Cannonball and Grasshopper drive softly and stretch on the group.
Clover recovers, but F2 is too far behind.
Unchanged position at the Viper Bridge. The 3 in front are very fast.
Rosicki's BMW goes to win, followed by Maria Felice on the Ferrari and Elizabeth Rax Lotus.
4th position for Chubby Checker on the Porsche, who start with the handbrake pull it on.
In fact, he arrived in reverse, but Rosicki made a great race, isn't it?
Definitely yes, Max. He's an extraordinary driver. We will see what he will do in race 2.
He all in the seats in front on the left for the Wild Nature team. There is a Grasshopper and behind him the Porsche F2.
On the right, Cannonball for my racing team, and behind the Lotus Clover for the Queen Motor team. The engines are running, the lights go out, and now we are off.
The Ferrari sought and ran away after the first curve.
Slippery ground after the chicane, they all lose control.
Only Grasshopper holds wheel, and with the final shot he goes to win race 2.
The others arrive with some difficulty.
Second position for BMW, third the Lotus, and the last the Porsche, that this time also comes in reverse. But let's review the lights. Replay!
At the chicane, Rosicki does an amazing stunt, while the Ferrari turns on itself at least twice.
Even F2 is not immune, and in fact he arrives barely at the finish line. Maybe it's time to clean the roads.
Race 3 now. In front on the left the Porsche F2, and on the right the Ferrari Grasshopper. Behind them in order the Lotus Clover and the BMW Cannonball. And as we always say, ready, engine, rocket ship.
F2 starts well, but the other fixes the gap at the chicane.
Cannonball overtakes on the narrow. He flips into the Mamouche.
Incredible overtake as a champion.
Julian continues unstoppable and accelerates to the finish line and wins.
Second position for Maria Felice on the drifting Ferrari.
Third, Chubby Checker on the Porsche, who with the tenacity does not let past the Lotus, which closes in 4th position.
But let's see what an incredible maneuver Rosicki did on the BMW. After the chicane he removes the paint from the F2 and he puts his foot down.
Then he found the only space available to overtake the Ferrari.
Ooh, look here, curve with 2 wheels on dirty road. But where did you find such a pilot?
Julian Rosicki, friends! Not the pilot, the pilot! This guy is amazing! He is worth all the money I have spent!
Ooh, full screen summary!
BMW dominates the standing with 13 points, the Ferrari Grasshopper follows at 11 points, while the Lotus at 5 5 and the Porsche at 4 are already saying goodbye to the tournament. Will the last hit be pure formality?
I don't think so. The driver have a valid reason to compete at their full potential.
Final round! Clover front left with Elizabeth Rogers and Cannonball behind.
On the right, F2 by Chubby Shaker and Maria Felice attack del Grasshopper. Gas, clutch, engine, launch!
After a slow start, Clover accelerates and the chicane Cannonball overturns.
The Lotus runs off quietly with a clean drive.
Bagarre between the two behind and pushes each other.
The Lotus wins easily, but behind them,
a continuous push and pull that brings only the Porsche to the finish line, while the Ferrari seems to have blown the front shocks absorbers. She stops a few steps from the finish line.
Double DNF in this battery. Now we're seeing the BMW. Perhaps he had demanded too much, and who wants it all may lose it all.
Incredible! No words!
Giulia Rosicki with a BMW. Oh, for the stinky team! And Maria Felice for the world's nature team in the Ferrari Grasshopper passed to the semi-final.
As always, we thank you for being with us, and we invite you to push like, subscribe, activate the updates and comment. We renew the invitation also for next week.
Remember to write us at the mail address topdriver365@gmail.com if you want to participate in the next Street Night Racers event, or contact us on social network. In the description you will find everything you need. Meanwhile, good night and good fight from Max Power.
Ciao, the Top Driver Diecast. Wearing jeans, never sleep.